Here we are. It is the new year. Whoa! These are just the ones right in front of our apartment, and of course you can look off into the horizon.
Wow, look at that.
That's these ones, and then of course we can go around to the other side of the house. Now we're walking. Can't tell because it's dark. Then we go through here to the kitchen. Now this is on the north. And anyhow, it's been going on for a while. Probably go on for another hour or so. I'll actually be going on all night, but wow, what do you think? Oh, I can't even see you. I can hear you though.
新年快乐! Okay, I'll say it louder.
Mommy, how you go to sleep then?
I don't know how we're gonna go to sleep. I don't think